This is a video about unlocking your creativity without adding anything new. You already have what you need, you just need to see it differently. Before we jump in, if you're a video creator who wants to level up your work, scale your income, maybe you want to stand out in your space, hit subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment with your biggest creative block. Okay, let me get to work. Let's bust a myth. Creativity doesn't come from learning more, it comes from using what you already know differently. Same skills, same gear, same knowledge. But when you rearrange the pieces, you create something fresh. Think about it like music. All music is made up of the same 12 notes, but the difference between noise and Mozart, creativity, arrangement, purpose. Remember, what you know is your toolbox. You've got experience, you've got instincts, you've got taste. But if you only use them the way you've always used them, you'll keep creating the same kind of work. Creativity happens when you disrupt your own process. Instead of starting with what camera you'll use, maybe start with why the story matters. Instead of reaching for a new plugin, reach for a new approach. What if I shot this backwards? What if I started with the least obvious voice in the room? What if I style the video like a commercial, even though it's a documentary? Write this down. The best creators reimagine, not just reuse. The greats don't just rely on tools, they bend them. They spot possibilities others overlook, because true creativity isn't about inventing something new. It's about seeing something old in a new way. That's your edge. That's your unlock. Creativity isn't a blank slate. It's a remix of everything you already know, reimagined, reworked, and repurposed into something fresh. So let me give you some next steps. If you want to unlock more creativity without learning anything new, pick one or maybe even more of these to do this week. Number one, reverse your process. Shoot or edit out of order. Start with the punchline. Lead with the moment you'd normally save for the end. Disruption creates discovery. Number two, remix a past project. Take footage from an old video and re-edit it in a completely different way. Change the tone, structure, or soundtrack. You'll surprise yourself. Number three, try a constraint challenge. Limit yourself to one camera, one lens, 1 hour. Creative limitations sharpen your instincts and reveal what really matters. Number four, create a same footage, different story edit. Use one set of clips to create two different edits, one comedic, one dramatic. It's a great way to practice tone shifting and see how story controls emotion. Number five, collaborate with someone outside your lane. Work with a friend who isn't a filmmaker, maybe they're a designer, a writer, a musician, and build something using your gear, but their point of view. Number six, switch tools to shift perspective. Edit on a different platform. Story map using sticky notes instead of a spreadsheet. Shake up your tools and you'll shake up your thinking. The bottom line is this: you don't need a better camera, you don't need more plugins, presets, or production days. You need to see what's already in your hands differently. Because the most creative people aren't always the most equipped, they're the most resourceful. They don't wait for more, they remix what they've already got. That's the edge that separates creators from content makers. That's how you go from good to unforgettable. Please like this video if it sparked something. Comment with your favorite creativity hack or process shakeup. Subscribe for more content that helps you elevate your work and grow your impact. If you want help unlocking your creativity and telling better stories, watch my free 30-minute workshop, Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos. Link is in the description. Ready to go deeper? Enroll in my course, Start with Story, End with Wow. Or maybe book a free 15-minute discovery call at paulstephenforrest.com. Because sometimes the breakthrough isn't in what you learn next, it's in how you use what you already know. Thanks for watching.